So today we're going to be looking at eBay. I'm always liking the stuff that I see on eBay. So it's how I made a lot of money, is going on eBay and finding if people have basically not, priced it properly. Did they call it the wrong name? Several things. So, in my art gallery, I'm always seeing what I can buy to put in my gallery. It's, I just look around and you find stuff that you really, really like and that you start to get familiar with. And so I like Nano Lopez. And so just seeing, is there anything good for me to buy? So on him, I go highest first because I wanted some structure about what I'm seeing, and then seeing if it's a good deal. And then I kind of just scroll through it and see if there's anything that I like. So it's very, very, very simple. Like, this is crazy. Like this piece right here. This piece retails in my gallery for over $10,000. So it being $3,000 right now is crazy. So sometimes, you may want to add it to your watch list. It looks like it's going to expire at Wednesday, so it's a lot of time. So it's going to I'm going to just throw out a bid to see how many people are looking at it. So there's 21 bids, but let's just see, because some people may be watching a lot and they may have their top end bid. So I'm going to confirm that bid, and I am the highest bidder. So great. So I'm going to close this, and then it just went up. So right now I put $3,500 in it, and there's some more room for people to bid, and I'm protected up to $3,500. But guaranteed, the time when it's going to get really silly and people are going to be bidding a lot on it is Wednesday at 5:30. That's when people are going to run it on up. And so right now people are just looking at it. There's some people bidding on it, think they're going to get it dirt cheap. It is one of those things that you just try to work on it and see what's out there and just keep on looking. So right now I like that. Somebody bids me up, I'll get a notification from eBay, and now I see what else is out there. But I'm looking at that. I look at Michael Goddard. Love Michael's work. Sometimes people have to liquidate, and when that's when you make money, because some people can't eat art, can't eat collectibles. So you look at stuff that you think that there's a huge potential, and that something about it, because a lot of people could buy it, get a good deal on Goddard, and they wouldn't know how to resell it. Well, I would resell it in my art gallery, and so for me, it's an easy way of reselling it. So I am looking for a great deal, and if I can find one. But I've been handling Michael Goddard's art for 15 years, so I know what's a good deal and what's not. Unless you actually buy and sell that collectible, it's not, you shouldn't be buying it on a whim, because you don't know. Is it a fake? Is it real? Is it something that, do you know how you could sell it? So I'm looking right now at, interesting. So this piece right here has been sold out literally forever. And the palm tree is broken as shown in the piece. So I don't know why they think they can sell it for, so I'm looking here. So pictures are so crucial. And I don't know, it's just, I just think this piece could be, oh, you see that break right there? Yeah, that just changed everything. When sculpture's broken and you don't have the parts to fix it, I don't know what world they think they're going to get $900 for, but it's not the world I live in. Where it's dusty and needs cleaning, selling this item, local pickup, please. Take a look at the pictures. Yeah, this person's probably lives in a state that sells marijuana, because they are high as a kite. High as a kite. And yeah, this is not going to happen. So I'm just going to keep on looking for a better deal. And you always have to think of why people are selling it. So you want to make sure you're not buying somebody else's problem, and you're find a piece of art that you can make money on. So I'm looking at stuff, and seeing if there's anything. So I'm looking. Wow, this Michael got original prints with no signature. I bet if Michael knew about those things getting out. A lot of artists don't like when their art gets out of the studio without number and signature. That's not good for an artist. So he'd probably be pretty upset if he found out that his art somehow is sneaking out the back door unsigned and like that. So I'm looking here to see if there's any good deals for me. This is a print, so that is not a good deal. And I'm looking, and you just got to make sure. Sometimes a deal, you're wondering why it's a good deal, and then you find out it's a replica, and that happens all kinds of places. So right now there is not anything. Look at this. So this piece right here, if you collected Michael Goddard's artwork, you would think this is a really good deal. But even at this distance, this is heavily cracked. And I know this because I handled the artwork, and it's not worth $7.19. It's not worth $100. But watch this. See all that cracking right there? That is not part of the art. That does not enhance the art. Matter of fact, I don't know what the heck these people did with the art, but some of the older canvases do tend to crack, but this is really, really bad. Wow, that is really bad. So, yeah, I don't know. Once again, they're from a state that sells weed because they are high as a kite. Yeah. Wow, what is that person thinking? Yeah, who are you? Pepper Dash Ivy. I don't know what you're smoking because it must be good because you are not getting that money for that piece of art. That is crazy. But anyway, that's the other thing. You got to watch art that's not damaged. Not like, wow, that's just heavily. And see, a lot of people would just start to collect this and watch a video about an artist and say, God, maybe I can make money off this artist. If you don't study the art and you just start trying to buy it, you're going to get taken advantage of. And so I understand the art. I buy the art all the time. And like this is actually a great deal. They don't want to do a best offer, but this is see, I like this feature on eBay that you can enhance it, but from first glance this art looks in pretty good condition, but something down here that I don't really like that much, and it's really nice to see it, somebody's toilet right there. Nice picture, dude. Who are you anyway? You leave a picture of your toilet? Who are you? I don't know what your name is, but dude, and you don't have that, you only have a 94%. Anyway, 94% is not that good. So he's had some problems with other buyers. So 94%, you want to have a buyer, obviously having a buyer that's 100%. Every time people do get people bad mouthing somebody, and if they have somebody at 99%, you know, that's not bad either, but 94%, you got to kind of work at, oh, look at this. Look at this. This is cracking right there. This art is messed up. So watch this. Do you see where it says excellent condition? This is just all bad. This piece of art is not worth $100. And so, yeah, this person is being dishonest, actually. They're not high, they're just being dishonest. This is why this guy has a rating of 94.1. This guy is messed up in the head. He's on the crazy train going fast. He's on one of those fast super trains going to crazy town, And I don't think they'll be even able to stop because this guy's actually kind of an idiot. Um, Excellent condition. You see cracking? Are you kidding me? See, that's all cracking. Those little white lines right there, all cracking. Just a moron. But anyway, that gives you a good look at, buying on eBay. This is what I do. You're going to see more videos from me coming on soon, and you're going to learn how I do it. I'm the Garage Sale Millionaire, Aaron LaPedis, showing you just how you can make money on eBay and lots of other platforms. Definitely take time to like me, and I'll show you more great videos. Have a wonderful day and keep collecting.